Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best light wiring harness is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in any lighting setup, whether you're upgrading your vehicle's headlights, installing auxiliary lights on your truck, or setting up a complex lighting system for your off-road adventures. This seemingly simple set of wires, connectors, and relays plays a vital role in ensuring your lights receive consistent power, operate safely, and perform at their peak potential, preventing frustrating electrical issues and potential hazards down the road. Number 5. OFFROADTOWN 2-lead heavy-duty wiring harness kit. This heavy-duty wiring harness kit is designed for universal compatibility. It fits most LED pods on the market, offering a total cable length of 14.7 feet for flexible mounting anywhere in your vehicle. Featuring a high-quality nylon jacket, it provides a clean, factory-installed look. This material ensures excellent durability, resisting daily wear and tear with superior heat dissipation and abrasion resistance. The illuminated toggle switch is built for longevity, tested for millions of presses. Its red LED indicator adds a great look inside your cab, and it's designed to withstand harsh conditions. Safety is paramount with flame-retardant materials and efficient heat emission. It includes a power relay for protection and a blade fuse to prevent overload and short circuits, ensuring a secure driving experience. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a 14.7-foot wiring harness, rocker switch, relay, fuse, extra blade fuse, and insulated connectors. Installation is straightforward for your convenience. We stand by the quality of our product with a 1-year assurance. Enjoy peace of mind with our 24-hour hassle-free after-sales service, ensuring you can buy with complete confidence. What we like. This harness offers exceptional durability with its heavy-duty construction and resilient nylon jacket. It's built to withstand rigorous use and provides over 50,000 hours of reliable performance. If you need a wiring solution that can handle tough conditions and last for years, this is the one to consider. What people say. The harness is a direct fit and works perfectly with the LED light bar. Easy to install, all the connectors were plug and play. The wiring is heavy duty and seems like it will hold up well over time. Number 4. Nilight Copper LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. Introducing our heavy-duty wiring harness, designed for reliability. With 12 AWG stranded wire, it can handle loads up to 450 W, ensuring your lights perform optimally. This 10-foot harness offers ample length for installation. The distance from the relay to the switch is extendable, providing flexibility to fit your specific needs. Easily control your lights with the illuminated 3-pin rocker switch. It features a red indicator light that turns on when the device is active, and it's built to last over 5,000 presses. Safety is paramount. This kit includes a power relay for circuit protection and conversion, along with a blade fuse to safeguard against overcurrent or short circuits. Its wide application makes it perfect for almost any 12V battery vehicle. Use it on Jeeps, ATVs, cars, motorcycles, and even boats, providing reliable power for your auxiliary lights. Everything you need is included in the package. You'll receive a 10-foot wiring harness and clear instructions to get your setup running smoothly. What we like. This kit provides a 10-foot heavy-duty harness with an extendable length between the relay and switch for flexible installation. It also comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable and adaptable wiring solution for your off-road vehicle, this is a great choice. What people say. The 16 AWG wire and 12V on-off waterproof switch are exactly what I needed for my LED light bar setup. The relay and blade fuse provide a reliable connection, and I haven't had any issues with the power supply so far. It looks as heavy-duty as advertised. I replaced the other one in like 15 minutes with this one and tested it. Everything works and wires aren't getting hot anymore. Really like the nylon sleeve that it has on it for abrasion protection. Choose this one so I didn't have to mess around with a wire loom. Number 3. Nilight 10012W LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. Introducing the Nilight 10012W LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. This kit is designed to efficiently power your dual light fixtures, supporting up to 180 W. It features a power relay and an inline blade fuse, providing essential protection against overcurrent and short circuits. This ensures the longevity of your lighting system. Navigate the dark with ease. The built-in premium LEDs on the switch emit a soft glow, making it simple to locate and operate, even in complete darkness. This wiring harness is widely applicable, perfect for almost any 12V battery vehicle. Whether you drive a Jeep, ATV, car, motorcycle, or operate a ship or yacht, it's a reliable choice. The package includes everything you need for a straightforward setup. You'll receive the wiring harness kit, a 5-pin LED rocker switch, and clear instructions for installation. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty. This black wiring harness kit is built to last and provide dependable performance for your vehicle's lighting needs. What we like. This harness is designed for dual lighting fixtures, offering 2 sets of output connectors and a 12-foot extendable wiring length. The illuminated rocker switch makes operation easy, even in the dark. If you're setting up multiple lights on your vehicle and want a convenient, well-lit switch, this is an excellent option. What people say. For lead harness had more than enough wire for my application, wires come wrapped in a moisture-resistant covering, and is on its own fused circuit. The switch is easy to wire and has its own inline fuse. It is easy to read and see the switch at night as it glows. This is the only way to go when it comes to getting a light bar or fog light set installed on a vehicle. Just plug the light or lights in the dual male and female spade connector and attach the positive and negative to the battery. Number 2. Nilight NI-WA05 LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. This wiring harness provides over 12 feet of cable, allowing you to easily route power to your desired lighting location. It's also extendable for even greater reach. With 2 sets of output connectors, it's designed to power dual lighting fixtures up to 180 W. This ensures a stable and reliable connection for both lights. The included 3-pin rocker switch features a red indicator light that illuminates when activated. This makes it simple to control your lights and confirms when they are on. It comes equipped with a power relay and an inline blade fuse. These act as the first line of defense, protecting your system from overcurrent and short circuits. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need to get started, a 12-foot wiring harness and clear instructions. It's designed for a universal fit on most vehicles. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty included with your purchase. We stand behind the quality and durability of our product. What we like. Featuring 2 available leads for dual lighting fixtures and over 12 feet of extendable wiring, this harness ensures a stable connection for your lights. It's designed for easy routing to your desired lighting location. If you need to power 2 light bars and want a secure, long-reaching setup, this is a solid pick. What people say. The harness is well constructed with durable materials, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary connectors included, making it a hassle-free setup. The design allows for easy integration with various lighting accessories, offering flexibility for different vehicle setups. Number 1. Nilight 16AWG LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. Introducing the Nilight 16AWG LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. This essential accessory is designed to power your off-road and work lights with ease and reliability. Its universal design makes it compatible with all automobiles, boats, and devices that use a 12V power source. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing setup. Equipped with a power relay for safety and conversion, it also features a blade fuse. This protects your circuit from overcurrent or short circuits, ensuring safe operation. Control your lights effortlessly with the included 3-pin on-off rocker switch. It features a red indicator light that illuminates when on, and it's built to last through thousands of uses. This kit provides 2 available leads, supporting dual lighting fixtures up to 180 W. Experience a more stable connection for your lighting needs. The package includes everything you need, 1 wiring harness kit and a set of instructions. Get ready to enhance your vehicle's lighting in no time. What we like. This 16AWG wiring harness comes with 2 leads, perfect for dual lighting fixtures, and offers a universal fit for most 12V systems. It's a straightforward and reliable option for powering multiple lights. If you have a standard 12V vehicle or boat and need a simple, effective dual light wiring solution, this kit is a good fit. What people say. The harness is well made with quality connectors. It was easy to install and integrated seamlessly with my existing setup. The wiring is clearly labeled, making the connection process straightforward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.